Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Microsoft Rewards points fast. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're wondering how to exactly get those reward points here so that you could enjoy much more perks here, maybe get some coupons or even like prizes inside Bing or with Microsoft here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, in this case, if you visit rewards.bing.com/earn, you should be able to see your dashboard. Now, the thing with your dashboard here, it should give you a lot of options on how you could actually start earning those points. Now, this actually depends on what you're doing here. So, like for example, if you do a bunch of activities here, like for example, true friends use Bing together, design cards as unique as mom here, you should be able to enjoy different points. But I'm assuming you already know that. So, how do you exactly rack up the points here the fastest? Now, the thing with Bing here, as long as you're using the platform and you also share this to your friends, well, you should be able to start earning a consistent stream of points. So, at the very top, if you click on Refer and Earn at the very top here, it should give you the option to share a link. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and just copy this link and start sharing this to different friends. Now, in this case, if you start sharing this to your friends, like for example, a close friend, a family member, and they use the link to sign up into Bing and also use Bing as a means on searching certain topics or whatever they want, you should be able to earn up to 1 point per search. And the thing with this one is you could have at least like 7,500 points per month. So that's the maximum that you could actually get just for your friends searching. So let's just say your friends searches around like 500 a day. Now that's going to be a lot. So especially for a friend that is a friend that's really busy. Now, also the great thing about this one is if your friend actually completes their welcome quest here, they also get a bonus of 1,320 bonus points. So that's a perk for them to use your referral link here. Now, the great thing about this one is you can have multiple referrals here. So if you have 5 friends that uses the referrals link that you use, and they use Bing as a means on searching whatever they're trying to search, well, you'll be able to rack up a lot of points. And from here, it should show the earn points, the pending points, and the bonus points that you are going to earn. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.